Welcome to the next part of this exercise. So, in continuing with the development of the detailed drawings of the structure, let's observe the necessary steps for obtaining those pertaining to the connections, although it's worth mentioning that the following steps will also permit us to obtain the detailed drawings for any other components in the structure, such as beams, purlins, and so on. As an example, let's obtain the detailed drawings for this particular connection, or this knee of frame connection. Let's continue then and obtain the dimensions that we need. I'll then go to the correct tool and begin placing the dimensions. Done. Here we've then the first detail view of this particular connection, and thus we can continue and place this view inside the first detailed drawing of the structure. Here we've then the new detail view in the correct position. I'll just quickly adjust the position of the symbol. And so, it's in this way in which we could continue on obtaining the detail views of the remaining connections, beams, and so on. But continuing with the subject of the development of the drawings of the structure, let's remember that we can also modify the family pertaining to the title block of the sheet, adding or removing descriptions if need be.